Would you like to stream The Nest online, the brand new BBC One series? Well, it's on BBC iPlayer, and if you press play, you are supposed to be able to stream it, but see this message here, BBC iPlayer only works in the UK. And also, it's important to notice that it's only available for 3 months here. It might be there for a longer time, but so what? Well, how can you stream The Nest online if you cannot stream it on BBC iPlayer? Well, in the movie description, check it here on YouTube. I've included a link to the ExpressVPN website. This is a VPN provider that will help you stream BBC iPlayer abroad, and not only the Nest, but all the other programs also available at BBC iPlayer, the live streams, American Netflix, Dutch Netflix, Canadian Netflix, ITV, and so much more. Click that link, you will get a big discount, 3 months for free with a 12-month subscription. They have a 30-day full refund policy, and after you've signed up, download their application. Here I have the application ready. Now when you're here, search for the United Kingdom. Here you have United Kingdom. I'll just connect to East London. Now this will give me a UK IP address, and this IP address will help me stream BBC iPlayer abroad. So when I'm connected, you have to create an account at the BBC iPlayer website. That is completely free. Just make sure to register with a zip code in the United Kingdom. That is very important. And when you have that done, now you can see that it's soon connecting, or it's still connecting. Now I'm connected. Now I open my browser in an incognito window or a private window. This is to clear all cookies and so in the browser. Well, here I am. Okay, yes, I agree. Now I have to log in with my user. And as I'm logged in, I will be able to press play. I have a TV license and it's no error message, and I can stream The Nest live online. So that's how easy it is to watch The Nest live online on BBC iPlayer. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.